Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to manage PayPal protection settings. PayPal provides important buyer and seller protection for many eligible transactions, ensuring peace of mind. However, it's essential to understand how these protections work and when they apply. We'll explore how your choices, like payment type, influence whether protection is active for your transactions. Let's first look at PayPal's buyer protection. This safeguard helps you if an eligible item doesn't arrive or is significantly different from its description. It's automatically included with most goods and services payments. To use it, you need to open a dispute within 180 days of your payment date, following PayPal's resolution process. Now, for sellers, PayPal offers seller protection. This helps protect you from losses due to unauthorized payments or item not received claims. To qualify, you must meet specific requirements, such as shipping to the address provided on the PayPal transaction details page. Always retain proof of shipment and delivery, as these are often crucial for eligibility. It's important to note that there isn't a single off switch for PayPal's inherent buyer or seller protections. However, your choice of payment type significantly influences protection. For instance, sending money via friends and family usually means neither party receives protection. Always carefully consider the implications and potential risks before proceeding with transactions that do not include PayPal's safeguards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.